escape of blood from ruptured blood vessel is called hemorrhage. Complete loss of consciousness is known as coma. Chest disease causing difficulty in breathing is known as asthma. White portion of eye is called sclera. Vegetables have dash calories. Lowest. Milk contain dash percent of water. 87. Instant energy is given by carbohydrates. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. Biology is the study of dash life. The study of algae is called phycology. How many planets in our solar system are? 8. Hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. Smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury. Coldest planet in our solar system is Neptune. Cloud of dust that is visible in the night sky as luminous matter. Nebula. Most bright planet that can be seen from the Earth. Venus. Heavy water freeze at dash degrees Celsius. 3.8. A non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature is bromine. Dash is a chemical reaction in which electrons are lost. Oxidation. Energy due to the position of object is called dash potential energy. The average adult person has blood volume of about dash liters. 5. Chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. All insects have dash pairs of legs. 3. Cheapest source of energy is dash solar energy. Cyclone moves in dash motion circular. First antibiotic that was discovered penicillin. Dash mirror is used to focus sunlight at one point. Concave. Which gas is used in fizzy drinks? Carbon dioxide. Ovary develops into dash fruits. Ovule develops into dash seeds. Gas filled in flying balloons is dash helium.